In continuation with our series on traditional Indian summer drinks, the 7th recipe in the series is a fruit which is nature's gift for the season and a coolant like no other. Simple and easy to make, beat the summer heat with this natural, super cooling Nungu Apple Sarbat. You can find the links for all the episodes in the description box below. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. Nungu or ice apple is obtained from the palm trees, also called as Palmyra fruit, Thaati Ningu, Thaati Munjalu, Tala, Tadgola. When the top portion of the fruit is cut, you can see the seed sockets with the jelly-like portion inside. You can find 2, 3 to 4 sockets in the fruit. The fleshy part with the skin can be removed from the sockets. If it is tender, you can scoop it with your hands and have it as such. Take 12 to 15 of the Nungu pieces, wash well. Peel the skin. Ice apple is rich in vitamins A, B, and C. Being rich in potassium, it helps flush out the toxins from the body. Nungu, if overripe, will be hard and should not be had as it gives rise to stomach-related issues. It is best consumed fresh as it is highly perishable. Using a blunt knife, cut it into small pieces. Nungu is a low-calorie fruit. It helps cure rashes and burns, helps relieve all stomach-related problems, and is anti-aging. 2 preparations are going to be shown here. The first preparation is Nungu Nannari Sarbat. I have shown the preparation for Nannari syrup in the previous episode. Take 2 glasses, add 4 tablespoons each of the cut Nungu pieces, add lime juice according to taste, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Nannari syrup or according to taste, add ice cubes and add water. Mix well. Serve chilled. For Nannari Sarbat with tender coconut water and pulp, we will require tender coconut water from 2 coconuts and the coconut pulp. Scrape out the coconut pulp. Coconut pulp, which is thin and tender, will taste the best. Add 3 tablespoons of the cut Nungu pieces. Add coconut water. Add 2 tablespoons of the coconut pulp and lime juice according to taste. If tender, whole Nungu pieces can be added as such too. No sweeteners are required as this juice is naturally sweet. Cooling and hydrating, nourishing and energizing, these liquid-filled jelly-like parcels have a perfect mix of minerals and sugar required for the body. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Thursday for another interesting traditional drink recipe.